From the replies of the Honorable Minister in charge of Education, we have come to know that there are as many as 36 government LP schools where there is not even a single teacher. So in that case, what will be the fate of the students? And what?
Hakajingkali bodu zenet sangma halor ki skul Bymdon Nonghikai. Minister in charge ubalak men rumboy upentip badon Haduh lai pohon riutali ki skul haka Jylla Bymdon Nonghikai. Kadaw kalong bakat kum kajing ong ute minister baka sorkar kadang abya kajing betha ka high court halor kajing thong kami ki Nonghikai.
Speaker sir, reply to start question number 82A. Yes sir. B. 36 number sir. C. East Hills, Subdivision Shillong, name of the school is Soyong Community School. East Hills, Sora, Nil. West Hills, Subdivision Mountain Road, Athiabari Community School. Southwest Hills, Maukrwan, Meghalaya Community School. East and West Hills, Mairang. Maukapkwa Community School, West Dainty Hills Juai, Nil, West Dainty Hills Amlaririm Community School, East Dainty Hills Cleariat, Saiwal Community School, East Dainty Cleariat, Molhoy Community School, Ribhoy District Nongpo Mauker Community School, West Karo Hills Tura Nil, West Karo Hills Dadingri Nil, East Karo Hills William Nagar, Baringre Nengsil Community School, East Karo Hills William Nagar, Majol Grey Dogru Community School, East Karo Hills William Nagar, Jongmegre Community School, East Karo Hills, William Nagar, Nabokgre, Government LP School. East Karo Hills, William Nagar, Rengre Gre, Government LP School. East Karo Hills, William Nagar, Savil Gre, Government LP School. East Karo Hills, William Nagar, Rong Gre, Government LP School. East Karo Hills, William Nagar, Danal Bolkipok, Government LP School. East Karo Hills, William Nagar, Bol Moram, Dochok Government LP School, East Karo Hills, William Nagar, Koknal Mong, Government LP School, Southwest Karo Hills, Ampati, Patre Gre, Government LP School, North Karo Hills, Resulpura, Nayapara, Government LP School, South Karo Hills, Batmara, Rongma, Rekman Gre, Government LP School, South Hills, Bakmara, Chimitap, Government LP School, South Hills, Bakmara, Paskong, Government LP School, South Hills, Bakmara, Monrongs Snagre, Government LP School, South Hills, Bakmara, Halwa Atam, Government LP School, South Hills, Bakmara.
Sir, we have been raising this issue repeatedly, even inside this house and even outside the house, for the larger interest of the people of the state. Now, there are a number of vacant posts to be filled up. And as the Honorable Minister has stated, due to retirement, due to transfer, due to resignation, these schools have become teacherless. So why the induction or the appointment, even on contractual basis, is not met to ensure the continuation of education of the children in these schools?
Sir, I have already stated in the House a few days back. So, sir, this problem happened in the midst of doing of recruitment process and also preparing for the recruitment process where due to the due to the judgment of the Honorable High Court that we have to prepare the roster system. So preparation of roster system is almost complete, and we hope that we will able to do this process as early as possible. And I have already stated that this